folks. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Check it out. What I'm going to show you right now in this video is how to make money overnight, like tonight, in the next 24 hours. I'm going to show you how to use this little website here, Clickbank, as an affiliate marketer right now, how to make money almost overnight. And listen, the great thing about this is free and it doesn't take a lot of time. And look, let me show you proof. This is one of my Clickbank accounts. And listen, imagine bringing in $3,000 a week, $4,000 a week, $1,000, $3,000 direct deposit to your bank account using this very free method that many people are just not using because they just don't know. Listen, it's a lot of marketers just like you who have no clue on how to make money. One, because you give up, you quit, and you're not patient. I'm gonna ask you this. Before you sub to the channel, before you make a decision to like me or whatever, I want you to just take a deep breath, pay close attention. I'm gonna go very slow. I'm gonna go step by step, I promise you. And I can guarantee you at the end of this video, you're gonna absolutely love me because you're gonna see exactly how marketers are making money even with $0, and we're gonna do this overnight together. Is that a deal? So first up, obviously you gotta sign up, right? Sign up here for free, putting your information here, and once you have an account here, you want to just click log in. Okay, so I'm gonna go to one of my accounts here. I have many accounts because what I do, I just use this technique over and over and over again. And listen, you could do the same thing as well. You want to go to marketplace. Now understand, Clickbank, let's keep it stupid simple. That's just an affiliate marketplace that allows you as a beginner to promote other people's products, or you can create products like me. Like in the description below, I teach people every single day on how to create products and make $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Like I do a lot bit more, but I'm really good in creating products. But listen, as an affiliate marketer, I do all the work, and all you need to do is just take the resources that I give you and make money. But listen, just like you're confused. You probably watch videos like this, you didn't get it. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step tutorial here. Click on marketplace and click on this magnifying glass right here. Okay, if you're with me, smash the like button. Did you show me some love, big head? All right, look, you scroll down here. Now listen, these products right here are doing very well. What you want to do whenever you choose a Clickbank product is you want to look at gravity, because this tells you that people just like you who are brand new people are making money. That's all it tells you. If you get a gravity that's 0, well, you shouldn't promote their product because you're not going to make money because no one else is. So that's step number 1. You want to choose a product that works. Now, for this video, I'm going to give you the exact product that I know what works. This is the exact product that's bringing in checks for me right here. I'm going to give you for free. So I know you're thinking, Wesley, I love you. I'm going to smash the like button because more people need to see this video here. Look, Diabetes Freedom right now is a hot product here. It has a gravity over 252, and what I'm about to show you is going to completely blow your mind here. Okay, so what we want to do is with Diabetes Freedom here, we don't click on the affiliate page link. See, the great thing about these products, they go out of work for you. I don't have to do anything, right? They're going to give me email swipes, they're going to give me keywords, add headlines. But I'm going to show you how we're going to put that all together to make this work. Okay, so the next site that you need to go to is this site right here, google.com. Now, understand something about making money online and affiliate marketing when you're trying to get traffic. Because listen, right here on this site here, what we want to do is get what is called our affiliate link here. Click the promote button here. This is my affiliate link, Millions35, Wesley, I love you, right? Generate hop links right here. And this link right here is going to get you paid. Now listen, I'm going to show you in the video how to get traffic. I'm going to show you how to get a ton of traffic and spending $0. All I ask you to do is share the video and like it for the YouTube algorithm so other people can see the video just like you. You're going to be very happy after this video. Look, so what you want to do is just copy this link, right? This gets you paid. This is called your affiliate link. This is what you're going to use, and I'm going to show you exactly where to put this link. But go ahead and copy that right now for me now. Pause the video if you need to do it as well. Okay, so listen, we're going to promote Diabetes Freedom. The reason why, they pay $49 per sale, right? So every sale, $49. 4 sales a day is $200. $200 a day is $6,000 per month. Like, smash the like button if you can use $6,000 per month. Listen, when I was broke, man, I needed this. I had quit my job and I decided to go full-time internet marketing. And this strategy, this technique right now, what you're watching, it kind of saved my butt here. So listen, I want you to follow what I'm about to do with these links here. All right, so it's 2 ways to get traffic. I'm gonna show you the easiest way and simplest way. It's just stupid simple, honestly. Look, you want to go back to google.com and understand what you want to do is you want to type in best diabetes sweet recipes, okay? Now, this is going to make sense in a minute. Just calm down. You want to pull up this page because you want to type in the best diabetes sweet recipes. Now, you need to open up another site, okay? Go to facebook.com. Go to facebook.com. It's free to use. And no, you don't have to run ads. No, don't spend any money. Keep your credit card in your pocket, okay? Like I promised before, it's free. Type in diabetes here. Okay? And no, you're not going to be posting a bunch of links in groups. No, you're not going to be trying to tell people, hey, buy this. No, you're not going to do that. You're going to use a method that is so powerful, that is so compelling, that even you will buy the product, and you're going to see how you're going to have hundreds of people basically buy your product right tonight, okay? Look, what you want to do is join the diabetic friendly recipe groups here, okay? Every group that says diabetes, specifically the ones that say diabetic recipes, right? Because see, diabetics, they're always looking for recipes so they can eat, because they can't eat a lot because they have high blood sugar here. So you got to be smart. See how many groups? This is 75,000 people that's looking and are posting recipes. And guess what? You're going to post a recipe that's going to blow their mind. But I'm going to show you what you want to do here. So you want to join all these groups, all right? So you join all the groups. See more here. Just join all the groups right now. Join. So this is what you do. You just join all these groups. It doesn't take any time. Just click the button here. Click. Join. And you have to wait for the people to approve you. Usually they approve you in a few hours. But the more groups that you join, the more money that you make, okay? So once you join a couple of groups here, now you need some content, right? So you're going to go back here to the best diabetes sweet recipes here. So we're going to scroll down. It says 27 diabetes dessert you must try. Listen, you're gonna love me. You should be smashing the like button, because like you're gonna use this right now. That is free information on the internet. You don't have to do no work. I didn't have to come up with this recipe at all. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this information and I'm gonna put it in a format, and I'm gonna make a ton of money. Let me show you how. So look, the first recipe, scroll down here. All right, so we have all these different recipes here, okay? Best sugar recipe, best baked diabetes recipe. Oh, I love this. Okay, so look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start from the top here, and I'm gonna copy this, okay? Now, the next site that you wanna open up, listen, am I going slow enough? Leave a comment in a comment below. You can either say, I love you, Wes, or Wesley, sold down, or smash the like button because this is making sense to you. Open up a Google Doc, okay? Go to googles.com docs. It's free. And what you want to do is copy and paste that. You see what I just did here? Best easy desserts for diabetes. Because what we're going to do is create a document that we're going to give away for free. And it takes less than a minute here. Look, let me scroll down here. I'm going to take all this, see? Right? Because see, people who have diabetes, right? They still want to eat sugar, right? So the thing is, you're going to give them ways that they can have their sugar based off a post that is on Google, okay? So you want to take all these, and you want to populate this doc here, because this doc, we're going to eventually turn it into a PDF that we're going to give away for free, right? Makes sense? And listen, you can take pictures as well. Say if I want to take that picture, right click. Okay, right click on the picture like this, save image to downloads, right? Then I go back here and I can put a picture right here, okay? Smash the like button if you're having an aha moment here. This is just so simple here. And look, we can resize this as well. Like, I make a ton of money. I make a minimum of $3,000 per week doing this here, right? Now look at this. You see this? This is a simple one, right? And then what you want to do is, oh, I like this. Look, best sugar-free dessert for diabetes here. So that's going to be the title. See, the title. Best sugar-free desserts for diabetes are 10 best, are 10 delicious. That makes sense? 10 delicious, I'll say, sugar desserts for diabetes here. Because when people see that, they're going to be like, really? Desserts for diabetes? Ooh, are 10 delicious must have. Ooh, or must try. You see that? So that's how I'm going to title the doc here. So look, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say this has already been saved here. But listen, you're not done. Now you need to go back to Clickbank again, and you got to go back here. And you see where it says email swipes here? Well, you want to click on the swipe because we're going to add this to that PDF. Because remember, you want to get paid, right? You want to get paid, right? Exactly. So we're going to scroll down here. It can say, I'm going to choose one of these emails here, okay? Look at this. I like this. Title, 93% reverse their type 2 diabetes with this odd dot hack. So I'm going to copy this. Are you guys with me here? This is very simple to do. I know what you're thinking. You love this. I know. Listen. And then you want to go back here, and you want to put that right here, okay? At the end, right? And see, you delete that title. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger here, okay? See? Boom, 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 boom. You can make it blue as well. Just give it some attention. We can center this as well. And the great thing about this is so free. Hey, listen, have you smashed the like button? And listen, hey, this video is sponsored by Wesley $1 billion Virgin. In the bio, in the link under the description, I will show you anybody. If you want to create a brand new product online in 45 days, I can show you how to do that. Click the link in the bio. Much love. Let's go. Look, so look at it. So after they look at these desserts here, and what we want to do is we want to kill all these you see what it says low sugar chocolate chip bites here. So what we want to do is we want to change these links. What do we change them to? Do you remember? You remember what we did in the beginning of this video? Of course, we have the affiliate link here, right here. So this link right here is what we want to use for all these different images. So what we want to do is this. We're not going to actually, look, you can do this two ways. You can either put the recipe or you can just link this. So when people click it, they assume they're going to get the actual recipe. But what we're going to do, we're going to send them to the VSL so they can eliminate their diabetes immediately. So we're going to remove that. And what I would do, what you should do if you want to make a ton of money tonight here, you want to put the link, okay? And you want to put the link on all these things here. You see that? Remove the link, then link it again. It's very simple on how to do. You want to link all this. I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing that because you already know what to do, right? So kill the links here, okay? Make sure you remove all the links and you just want to link it to the actual affiliate link, okay? Does that make sense? I would even link the picture if you want to, okay? It's up to you. Link the picture here. I'm going to link it because the thing is when people see this, we want them clicking, okay? Then right here where they read this, you want to make sure you link this properly to your affiliate link because if you don't, then you won't get paid. Make sense? So I'm going to link this as well, right? I'm going to link that as well. Apply that to your health. See, that's it, to your good health. Done. That's it. And look, this is already saved. Then we're going to go to file, right? So the thing is right now, everything is linked. We're going to assume that you link this, you'll link this, you'll link this to your affiliate link. These words, when people click on it, sugar-free cookies, boom, they click it, they go straight to the VSL, right? Of course, they're expecting cookies, but when they see the diabetes, because obviously they have diabetes, they're going to watch the entire VSL to the end. Make sense? So what you want to do here is go to file. See how it's easy? Listen, smash the like button if it's just so easy. It's so simple to do this, honestly. then download as a PDF here. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. It's done. Look, it's a PDF right here. And look, if I click on these links right here, that's going to take me to the VSL. And always test your links. It's very important. Test your links here. See, boom, it goes to the VSL. All these links right here will go to the VSL. This will go to the VSL as well. Now, the question is, okay, Wes, where do I put this? Of course, you should already know, right? We're going to go back to the diabetes recipe here. Okay, now listen. Once they allow you to post in a group, see here, I got approved. It took 5 minutes while I'm on this video here. Diabetes recipe. See what people are posting here? And I can say, hey, I have a diabetes recipe that you're going to love. Or you can say, hey, guys, my name is Jack. My name is Chris. I know someone, I got a friend that has diabetes, and I created the 10 most sugar, delicious diabetes, whatever, ever. Does that make sense? So you see here, right here? So look, you can do this a couple of ways here. You can either add the file, the PDF itself, or you can just add the link, right? Where's the link? Right here. Make sure when you go to share, you want to share that link out. Okay, you see how I got it right here? And you want to make sure that you share not just with 7-Day Fitness, Wesley Virgin here. You want to share with everybody, okay? So anyone right here, anyone with the link can have it here. So you copy that link here. So when you go back here, and like I said, there's 2 ways to do this. You can either just add the file, right? You can just click here, add file, and we can go find the file that we just downloaded, right? We go to downloads right here, right? And that's the file, right? See what I'm doing here? Or I can just add the link. But what you want to do here with the copy, say, hey guys, let me show you. Watch this. Are you guys loving this? Hey guys, I have a friend that has diabetes, and he absolutely loves my 10 sugar delicious recipes. I know I'm not spelling these words right, but it's all good, okay? It's for the video here. You see what I'm doing here? Hey guys, I have a friend that has diabetes, and he absolutely loves, okay? He absolutely loves my 10 delicious sugar delicious recipes here. It kind of kicked me out there. But does that make sense? That's all what you do when you do that post here, right? You put the doc here. You're going to share it with everybody. They're going to download it. They're going to see those cookies here. They're going to click on it. And when they open up, right, you don't want to say, hey guys, go get my affiliate link. No, just say, hey, my name is Chris. I have a friend that have diabetes, and I prepared these 10 delicious diabetes desserts for him, and you guys should check them out. Much love. Talk soon. I just want to give some value. It's free recipes. See, and what you do is just look what everybody else is posting here. You see how people are posting certain things? So all you want to do is just be friendly and give value. Comment the word give value. When you give a bunch of value to 23,000 people, say if 100 people bought it, that's $4,000. Say out of 23,000, 100 people not only bought it, but they shared it because they absolutely love your recipes. And like I said before, you can actually put the recipes in the book, right? In the PDF that you created, and that's it. This is how that you make a ton of money and get paychecks over and over. This is the easiest, most simplest way that you can use right now, just by giving free value to people in Facebook groups that are targeted to diabetes. Listen, if I gave you massive value, smash the like button, sub to the channel every single day or every other day. I create videos for you. And listen, believe in yourself, okay? Believe in yourself, and you want me to help you out. Under this video in the description, I can help anybody, even a dog, make $10,000 in 45 days. You got to be willing to do the work. You have to have the open mind, and I promise you, you'll leave your job for the rest of your life. Much love. This is Wesley billion-dollar virgin. Let's go. Later.